r/AskReddit by Redmond ETS. What is something that still hasn't gone back to normal after the pandemic? A lot of places that reduced services for health and safety seem to have decided it saves too much money to bring back. Many hotels aren't doing daily service. Fast casual restaurants are leaning heavily towards takeout and delivery. Customer service in general. Pharmacy employees are staging walkouts due to understaffing. Hold times for any phone support or just informing you all associates are busy and hanging up. Local social media is full of stories of restaurants closing drive-thrus or part of their restaurants due to employee shortages or having no backups if someone calls out. Tried to call an area business only to find out they have outsourced customer service to a national provider who says, "We can only give them the message. We don't know if they read them." It's awful. The cost of things. I'm surprised this isn't higher up. The cost of everything has gone insane. Double, triple within the space of a few years. It started with supply chain issues. Obviously, they can get away with it, so it isn't going to change. I don't know about you all, but the sense of time is messed up. It's like 3 years of my timeline is missing. Supermarkets that used to be open 24/7. This is a good one. Somehow pharmacy hours have also shortened too. 24 hours stores and restaurants. There are probably way less than half as they used to be. In-person appointments for many services. The way many people behave in public truly became unhinged during the pandemic and shows no signs of slowing down. Yep. My answer is people. They became unhinged and hateful and unpredictable a few months into the pandemic, and it's only gotten worse from there. Lots of people are having their worldview shattered. People's general attitude towards life took a heavy downturn during the pandemic, and I don't really see anyone bouncing back from that. People are far more prone to outbursts of anger and frustration. It seems like there's an added edge to interactions that I don't think was ever there before. Used car prices. Or availability of new cars. They are available but 20 grand more than reasonable. Seems like quality control left and never came back. Also, these poor damn kids. I don't know what happened, but they came back to school different and not for the better. On the bright side, the young ones coming in seem to be doing well. Places closed fitting rooms, and instead of reopening them they just tore them out. Clothing brands differ so much in sizes, I need to be able to try them on before I buy them. Friendships and relationships. It's not that we don't want to spend time together, but we all seem so collectively exhausted and isolated. I'm working hard to get out there, but we're all just tired. Attendance at schools. The number of absences is like nothing I've seen in over 30 years in education. Do you think it's because parents are actually keeping their kids home when they're sick? People's patience and attention spans. I wouldn't blame that entirely on it. Prices for plywood and a lot of other lumber and building materials. The number of serving staff in restaurants. Those people have moved on to jobs that treat them better. Education. A lot of kids lost 2 years of school. And the social development that goes along with it. I'm a teacher. The number of kids I saw do a 180-degree personality shift was crazy. Doctor or medical appointments. The amount of doctors who have decided to do online appointments in lieu of face-to-face is horrible. My daughter is on a wait list for pulmonology. They said the first app available will probably be virtual. For pulmonology. I said, how are you going to listen to lung sounds over a computer or phone? They have no answer, just asked if I wanted on the wait list. That's all folks. Thank you for watching. If you like videos like this one, why not like and subscribe for more? Have a nice evening.